Want to make a clean and professional profile picture that actually stands out? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a high quality profile picture from scratch. Let's get started. The link to all the material used in this video will be in the description and in the pinned comment. So first of all, import your character and adjust its size and position. Then pre-compose it. After that, select the roto brush tool and double click and remove the background. After that, click on freeze. Now adjust the feathers. Now import your background image and adjust its position. Now import a fire overlay and select the frame which you like. To remove its background, apply unmelt effect or change its blending mode to screen. Now apply tritone effect and adjust the color according to your likings. Now duplicate the fire overlay. And adjust its position. Right click, go to transform and click flip horizontal and adjust its and change its position. Now import any logo and place it behind your character. Apply S_raise effect and adjust the settings. Now duplicate your character and apply fill effect on the second layer. Now adjust the position, the background layer and apply fast box blur. Add deep glow or any glow you like. Now make a solid and apply CC ball action and copy my settings. Now import $PNG and pre-compose it. Apply waveboard and copy my settings. Now adjust position. Apply tritone effect and select your desired color and add fast box blur. Select the background layer and apply optics compensation and copy my settings. add a lens flare and change its blending mode to screen. Now import glass shard PNG and adjust the position. Apply fastbox blur and deep glow on the glass shard. Now you have your PFP ready. Now we have to add the text and the color correction. For this, open any AI, for example Gemini, and paste the following prompt. And you'll have a profile picture just like me.